Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So it has been quite some time since I've actually uploaded anything to my channel and I'm so sorry about that. I've gained quite a few new subscribers since I've been gone. I've been gone now about three months, I think, maybe coming up to 4 months, and I just haven't been active on social media at all. And I may make a separate video explaining where I've been. But in a nutshell, I've just been in a little bit of a bad way mentally, and I just felt like I needed to take a bit of time off for myself and for my family. And we've been on a really lovely holiday this week, which I really needed to just take some time away from work and home life and all those kind of things and just spend time with my family, and it's been really lovely. So coming back from that, I feel ready to sort of get a bit more active again on social media. I've got the passion and want to make videos, so this is what I'm doing today. So I thought, what better way of coming back than a nice, easy, relaxing B&M haul, because I know I love to watch B&M hauls. So if you want to see what I've got, stick around and we'll get right back into that. But if you do enjoy this video, and you want to watch my other videos, please give this video a big thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel, it really does help me out. And without further ado, let's get into today's video. So if we start off then with a few cleaning bits first of all, because I feel like that's what most of my viewers want to see, and that's what I would want to see. So the first thing I picked up then was a new Sephora. This is the Linen Fresh. Now I am obsessed with Sephora, I use it for everything, and it's such a great disinfectant, and I haven't had any now for quite some time, so I needed to pick up a new one of these. This is just the, I'm not sure what size bottle this is, the 120ml bottle, it's the smallest one. I picked this up in Linen Fresh. It's the only scent that they actually had, so glad to have one of those again. If you can hear my little boy, he is next door. My partner is with him trying to get him to sleep because I'm filming this and it's about 8:30. So been to work, had like a busy day, now trying to get a bit of filming done as well. So if that's what you can hear, that is what's going on. Next I've got a duck toilet cleaner. Now I really like these. Obviously I bleach my toilet multiple times a day anyway, but I feel like these are really good for just keeping your toilet extra clean, but also really makes your toilet smell really lovely as well. So this is the duck limited edition one. This is Berry Magic. I've never had this one before. I've always normally just had like the blue coloured ones, and so this sounds really sad talking about that I'm going to be excited to smell my toilet, but I'm actually looking forward to seeing how this smells later on. So as soon as I'm finished filming this, I'm going to have a little clean around as well, so we can pop that in. Okay, so the next thing then that I picked up was a few new Dishmatic sponges. When I do washing up, which is very rarely because I do heavily rely on my dishwasher, we have one of the Dishmatic candle sponges, and I saw these. I'm not sure if they're limited edition or not, but I saw them in this really lovely pink colour, and you get 2 in a pack and they last quite a long time as well, so I picked up a few new ones of those. I also then picked up a few new laundry essentials. So these are the Fairy Non-Bio Pods. We've been using these since George was born, so coming up to 3 years now. Before that, I wasn't really fussed what kind of washing pods we used, but these are really good for people with sensitive skin, and George is someone that suffers with sensitive skin. So these work really well with his skin, along with all the other things that I have bought as well. But they are also really good value for money. I think it was 28 washing pods, and I think it was something like $6.99 from B&M, which is really good value for money. I then picked up a Lenore in-wash scent boosters. Now I don't normally pick up these ones, I normally get the Unstoppables. I'm not sure if they're by the same company or not, but I got these in these Spring Awakening scents. And they smell really lovely. They smell really fresh. I'm really looking forward to popping my bedding on with a washing pod, some scent boosters, and I've also got some new softener as well in the same kind of scent. So I'm looking forward to have a really lovely fresh smelling bed. And just look at the size of this. It is bigger than my head, and that's saying something because I feel like I have quite a big head. And these again were from B&M. Really good value for money. I think it was $7.99. Which I think is quite cheap for these, because I'm pretty sure for something this size in the shop you're looking at a little bit more expensive. Even for the smaller ones in the shops they can work out quite expensive, but you don't really need to use too many of them to actually get a really good scent coming out of it from your washing, so they normally last quite some time as well. The next laundry essential I got then was some softener. Again, this is such a big bottle and it is extremely heavy, but this is the Lenore Spring Awakening. This is the mega pack, so it's going to last me quite some time. And it is just huge and it's really heavy, so I'm going to pop that one down. Moving on then to some dishwasher tabs. I've picked up the Fairy Original. We have used these ones since we moved into our house with a dishwasher. These are just the original all-in-one. It's really effective on grease. Whenever we, make roast potatoes and anything that has sort of like grease and oil and things, this cuts through it really, really, really quickly and easily, and everything comes out, really quickly and clean as well. And this is the XXXL pack, and you get 93 washes in here, and I think it was £6.99, so again, not too bad for money. And yeah, I just went around and just picked up all the big packs of everything, because when we was on holiday, I went to IKEA. There was an IKEA nearby. I know going to IKEA doesn't sound very fun to do while you're on holiday, but my partner and my little boy were very patient with me whilst I shopped. But we found these glass jars, and they're just like a corkboard lid. But I really wanted to get a couple of these to put all my washing and dishwasher essentials in. So I've bought 4 of these, and I'm going to fill up the North Scent Boosters and the softener and the washing tabs, dishwasher tabs into these, and just have them really prettily sat along my windowsill. I'm probably going to do that after I film this, because I'm sad like that and I'm really excited to actually do that. So I'll probably post a picture over on my Instagram tomorrow, so if you want to go and check that out, the link for my Instagram is down below, so go ahead and give me a follow. I'm trying to be a bit more active over there as well, so I'd appreciate it if you gave me a follow and just came over and said hi. And the last cleaning item I got was a Scrub Daddy, and I'm embarrassed to say that I've actually never had a Scrub Daddy, or should I say Scrub Mummy. I had to get the pink one, of course, but I've heard just amazing things about these. This was £2.99, I believe, from B&M, but apparently it is scratch free, which shocks me because it does actually feel quite scratchy. I've never even sort of felt one before in B&M, and I just didn't expect them to feel like that, but they feel scratchy, but it says it's scratch free. It can also be used for the dishwasher, so if you want to give it a rinse or a clean, you can pop it in the dishwasher, and you can use deep cleaning. Yeah, I'm looking forward to using this. Apparently you can also use this part to put spoons in to sort of really help get, I don't know, the extra dirt and bits off your utensils or whatever, but looking forward to trying that out, because I'm normally quite loyal to my Minky, as sad as that sounds, but I'm looking forward to giving the Scrub Mummy a chance. So moving on to some, not like beauty products, but things that you might use like on yourself. So I picked up a new bubble bath. This is the Radox Sleep Aromatherapy. I think I've shown this before in many hauls or in my weekly shop. We love this one. It really helps with just relaxing the body. We also went to Legoland a couple of days ago, and we did sort of just 2 days of solid walking, and my legs are still aching, so I'm looking forward tonight to having a bath with this, just to sort of relax my muscles a bit. And the aromatherapy as well, it really helps with just winding me down and just making me sleepy before bed, so I will probably have a bath a little bit later on just before I go to bed and use that. I also picked up a new baby shampoo. We normally use, well, I have been using, I bought the Sainsbury's one recently, and it just is very, very watery and doesn't seem to go very far. It doesn't seem to lather really well like in his hair, so I thought I would try a new one. This is the Johnson's baby shampoo. He is probably old enough now to use sort of our shampoo, but I saw this in B&M. I think it was like £1.50, so really cheap. It's a no more tears one because he hates getting bubbles in his eyes and saying that it stings, so we will give this a go and see if that works out any better than what we have already tried before. And the last sort of beauty thing I got then was just some more toothpaste. This is the Colgate Sensitive Instant Relief Whitening Toothpaste. I've got quite sensitive teeth, so is my partner, so we've just found that this really helps. Our dentist actually recommended this to my partner, and I've been giving it a try as well, and it's worked really, really well so far. And again, I think it was like £1.50 or £1.99 in B&M, so yeah, not bad for toothpaste. And then the last couple of things I've got are just a few little extra bits that I wasn't sure really where to put, so I've just got a couple of food items and then also some miscellaneous items, if you like. So I picked up one of these wax melt candle holders. I've never had wax melts before, and I know they're like the really in thing to have. They're all over Instagram. I've just never really tried them before, so I found this in B&M. It was £2. It's really pretty. It's a nice grey colour. It's got love hearts on it, so I thought I would give it a try. So with that, I picked up the Heritage Collection, the Vanilla and Amberwood scented wax melts, which smell nice. I tried sort of a few different scents that they had around in B&M. They had a few different ones, but this is the one that smelled the nicest. It was just really sweet, which I like. I like a sweet candle. I know a lot of people don't really like sweet candles, but I would prefer to have like a nice sweet scent around my front room. And then to go underneath them, I just picked up a bag of tea lights. I think I already have some downstairs, but you can never have too many tea lights, and this is just 25 tea lights. They were £1, and I'm going to obviously use them at any point anyway, so I thought it was just good just to pick up a fresh bag of those. Now the next thing I picked up then I feel like was a really good find. Now George uses these cups. Now I know they say up until the age of 18 months, but George is a little bit behind where he should be, and he does really heavily rely on these kind of things to help him drink, otherwise he would just end up being dehydrated. So he uses these. Now in Sainsbury's where we buy them, I think there's something like £7, and he gets through them quite quickly because he does chew the plastic, even though I think they say no chew. He does seem to put his teeth through them and get through them. But this was £1 in B&M, £1. So I picked up another one. I picked up the purple and the orangey sort of top coloured one. And I just thought, although he already has 2 on the go at the moment, I'll pop this in the cupboard because if he does pierce the lid one time or loses a bottle, I've got another one already here. And for £1, I just couldn't go wrong. And I felt like I wanted to pick up a few more, but I couldn't justify filling my cupboard full of these. We've already got a couple already. And then the last couple of things then that I've picked up were a few foodie items. So I've got some of the Pop-Tarts. These are the frosted hot fudge sundae Pop-Tarts. They look incredible. I've always wanted to try these, but I could just never justify spending, I think it's like £3.99 in like Tesco's and Sainsbury's and things, and these were £2.99 I believe in B&M, and they just look incredible. So really excited to try those. Probably not as a breakfast. I know a lot of people have these for breakfast in America. I've seen on like YouTube and bits, but they're probably going to work more as a pudding. Be excited to give them a try. Also picked up a few snacks for George. These are the Maryland cookies. George loves cookies, but these are the limited edition birthday cake flavour, and I love anything birthday cake flavour. I'm not really sure how to describe sort of the flavour or the taste, but it just tastes like birthdays and sprinkles and everything fun. So I picked up some of those. I will probably pinch a bag from George. Also found these in B&M. These are the Chewits blue raspberry. They're called Juicy Bites, but they're basically like bonbons with like a juicy centre. And they're the blue raspberry flavour. I feel like they taste like bubblegum, but they're not bubblegum. They are just blue raspberry, but I feel like they do have a bit of a bubblegum sort of taste to it, which I'm not a fan of, but my partner really enjoys these. So I picked him up another bag of those. Also picked up some Milky Bars. As you can see, these are already open because George was very grumpy in the shop and I needed something to entertain him with and just distract him with whilst I could just get a bit of shopping done. So I know, mum of the century. So I picked up some of these Milky Bars and they'll just go in the snack drawer that we have that will just work as a treat for him, maybe after nursery, or if he's done something good, there'll be a little treat there for him. And then the last thing I picked up was just a bag of Wotsits, and these are the baked extra large Wotsits. In the flaming hot flavour, and I used to love Wotsits, especially the hot ones, so when I saw those in the big pack as well, I thought I would just pick some. They'll work as a nice snack after dinner or after lunch or something during the week when I'm home. But that is everything then that I bought in B&M today. Didn't come to too much, I think. I think it came to about £55 in total, which isn't bad considering I bought dishwasher tabs, softener, Unstoppables, washing tabs, and I bought all of them in the extra large pack as well. So I don't think that was too bad. I think I did okay. Guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. I really appreciate it if you have stuck around, and if you do enjoy it, like I said at the beginning, please hit that big thumbs up button. Please subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you as a viewer. I am aiming to be posting twice a week now. I'm trying to get a bit more of like a schedule going, so I'm a bit more organised. I'm trying to get myself a couple of weeks ahead as well, so I'm not struggling to put up videos and content for you guys. So hopefully that's all going to go to plan. I've also got a blog. If you guys are interested in reading my blog, I'll leave the link for that down below. I'll also leave the link for my Instagram as well, so if you want to go and check me out over there, or just send me a message and say hi, I would love to chat with you guys. But thank you so much for watching today, and I will look forward to seeing you in my next video. Take care, bye bye.